Build a stronger chest at home. No gym, no problem. 1. Introduction. What's up, fitness family? Welcome to another home workout video. Today, we're focusing on building a strong, defined chest without stepping foot in a gym. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this routine is designed to give your pectoral muscles a serious pump. So let's get ready to sculpt that chest right in your living room. 1. Importance of chest workouts. Before we dive in, let's talk about why chest workouts are crucial. Your chest muscles or pectorals play a key role in many upper body movements. They're essential for pushing motions, like opening doors or pushing yourself up off the ground. Plus, a well-developed chest contributes to that coveted V-taper physique. But it's not just about looks. Strong chest muscles improve your posture, boost your overall upper body strength, and can even help with breathing efficiency. So whether you're aiming for aesthetics or functionality, this workout's got you covered. 1. Equipment needed. Now, the beauty of this workout is that it requires minimal equipment. All you'll need is 1. A pair of chairs or a sturdy coffee table for dips. 2. A resistance band if you have one, but don't worry if you don't. 3. And most importantly, your own body weight. Make sure you have some water nearby, and if you want, a towel to wipe off that hard-earned sweat. All right, let's get started. 1. Warm-up routine. Before we jump into the main exercises, let's warm up those muscles. We'll do this for about 2-3 minutes. 1. Start with 30 seconds of arm circles, forward and backward. 2. Next, 30 seconds of shoulder rolls. 3. Then 30 seconds of torso twists. 4. Finally, 10 wall push-ups to activate those chest muscles. Remember, a good warm-up reduces the risk of injury and prepares your body for the workout ahead. 1. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Our first exercise is the classic push-up. It's a staple for a reason. It works. Here's how to do it. 1. Start in a plank position, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. 3. Push back up to the starting position. 4. That's 1 rep. Aim for 3 sets of 10-15 reps, or as many as you can with good form. Pro tips. 1. Keep your core tight and your body in a straight line. 2. Don't let your hips sag or stick up. 3. If regular push-ups are too challenging, start with knee push-ups. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with perfect form than more with poor form. 1. Exercise 2. Incline push-ups. Next up, we're doing incline push-ups. These target your lower chest and are a great progression if you find regular push-ups too easy. Here's how. 1. Find an elevated surface like a chair, coffee table, or sturdy bench. 2. Place your hands on the edge, slightly wider than shoulder width. 3. Step your feet back into a plank position. 4. Lower your chest towards the surface. 5. Push back up to starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Remember, the higher the surface, the easier the exercise. As you get stronger, gradually lower the height of your support. 1. Exercise 3. Diamond push-ups. Now we're moving on to diamond push-ups. These target your inner chest and triceps. Here's the setup. 1. Start in a push-up position, but bring your hands close together under your chest. 2. Form a diamond or triangle shape with your index fingers and thumbs touching. 3. Lower your chest towards your hands. 4. Push back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 8-12 reps. This is a challenging variation, so if you're struggling, do them on your knees or against a wall. Focus on keeping your elbows close to your body as you lower down. 1. Exercise 4. Dips using chairs. Dips are great for targeting your lower chest and triceps. We'll use 2 sturdy chairs for this. Here's how. 1. Place 2 chairs facing each other, about shoulder width apart. 2. Sit between them and grip the edges, fingers pointing forward. 3. Slide your butt off the chair, supporting your weight with your arms. 4. Lower your body by bending your elbows. 5. Push back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10-12 reps. If this is too challenging, keep your feet on the ground and use your legs to assist. As you get stronger, try extending your legs out in front of you. 1. Exercise 5, resistance band chest flies. Our final exercise is resistance band chest flies. If you don't have a band, you can do standing chest flies without one. Here's the technique. 1. Secure your band behind you at chest height, or stand with your arms outstretched. 2. Grip the band or start with your arms wide. 3. Keeping a slight bend in your elbows, bring your hands together in front of your chest. 4. Slowly return to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 12-15 reps. This exercise really isolates the chest muscles, so focus on feeling the squeeze at the top of the movement. 1. Cool down and stretching. Great work! Now let's cool down and stretch those chest muscles. We'll do this for about 2-3 minutes. 1. Start with some light arm swings for 30 seconds. 2. Then clasp your hands behind your back and lift your arms, feeling the stretch across your chest. 2. Hold for 15-20 seconds. 3. Next, place one arm against a wall or door frame. Turn your body away from it to feel the stretch. 3. Hold for 15-20 seconds on each side. 4. Finally, do some gentle torso twists to release any tension. Remember, never bounce or force a stretch. You should feel a gentle pull, not pain. And there you have it, a full chest workout you can do anytime, anywhere with minimal equipment. Remember, consistency is key. Try to do this routine 2-3 times a week for best results. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more home fitness content. Drop a comment below to let me know how it went, or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and keep pushing yourself. See you in the next video.